everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm feeling like doing a Valentine's Day look since Valentine's Day is coming up. I don't have an exact plan of what I want to do. I'm just thinking of some reds and some golds. So let's just get on to the video, and before that please subscribe and like down below to my channel, please. Okay, that's it, I think. So I have primed and set my lid, so I couldn't do the makeup and talk at the same time, so it's going to be a voiceover. First I'm going in with this red shade on my crease and dragging it out to make it like a winged shape. I'm using a mix of this dark red and the purple to deepen up my crease, and for the very outer edge to give it some depth I'm using this dark brown shade. And here I'm just using a clean brush without any product to soften the blending. Next I'm gonna do like a half cut crease using some concealer. To set the cut crease I first used this gold shade, but that wasn't sparkly enough, so I went back and packed some super shock shadow on top, and here I'm just using the darkest red shade to blend the edge of the cut crease. So this is the finished look. I have applied mascara and put on some lashes. Next I'm just going to quickly do the rest of my face and I'll be back. Okay, so for the under eyes, like the lower lash line, I'm just using the dark red shade and I'm gonna smoke out the lower lash line. And I used a little bit of that darkest brown shade too. So this is the finished look. This is my Valentine's glam makeup look. I don't think I'll be doing anything for Valentine's, but I just wanted to do makeup at least. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Bye.